students, today we will study from trade to territory, chapter number 2 of history and part 5. We will start part 5 of this chapter. This is the last one. In this part we will discuss about main terms, right? These are very simple main terms and you have to remember them. First is Subedars. Who were the Subedars? In this chapter the word is used for Mughal governors. Mughal governors were called Subedars. These governors were appointed by the Mughal emperors to control their entire administration or their empire. Mercantile, it is a business group or business enterprises that earns the profit, right, by buying goods at very cheap rates and sell them at higher rates. In this way they got benefit. So these types of enterprise groups were known as mercantile. Okay, these were the trading companies. Also we can say trading companies. You have to remember. Farman. Farman was a royal order. Means this order was released by the emperors or the rulers. So this was known as Farman. Next, puppet. Puppet, generally or literally we can say that it is used for a toy that you can move with strings, right? That is puppet. But here in this chapter it is used for someone who is controlled by someone else. The person who is controlled by someone else. For example, in the Battle of Plassey, Mir Jafar and Dullab Rai, Jagat Seth, etc. were the conspirators, right, against Nawab Sirajuddola, and later the British made Mir Jafar as the Bengal Nawab, as puppet Nawab, right? Palashi, this is Palashi, right? It is the Indian version of the word Plassey. Version of Plassey. It is the anglicized word. The Britishers used this word for Palashi. Palashi is a place in Bengal where the tree, Palash trees are found, and these trees are very famous for their red flowers. Red flowers by which gulal, right, a color is prepared. So Palashi is equal to Plassey. Qazi used to be a judge. Qazi was judge in the justice system under the Mughals, later adopted by Warren Hastings. So in the justice system, Qazi used to be a judge in the justice system, right? Mufti, a jurist of the Muslim community, clear, who used to be responsible for the laws would be administered by the Qazi. So he means used to help Qazi in the maintenance of criminal justice system or civil justice system. Impeachment. Impeachment is a process or trial. Trial, it was specially used in this chapter. It is a trial in the House of Lords in England. House of Lords in England against the person or member in the House of Commons. Clear? So it was against, we can say that Warren Hastings. Impeachment, he faced impeachment. Robert Clive also. So this is known as impeachment. In India, generally it is used for impeachment against the president. Clear? To remove him from his post. So impeachment process is necessary. The next term is Dharma Shastra. This word is also used in this chapter, Dharma Shastra. Dharma Shastra means Sanskrit text. These were the Sanskrit texts which were prescribing the social and the cultural codes in the society, right? So these Sanskrit texts were composed from 500 BCE, before Christ era onwards. Clear? Codes of behavior and social and cultural rules were consisting of these Dharma Shastra. Next is Savars. Savars means the soldiers or the men on the horses. They were the part of Mughal army, Savars, and infantry. So infantry people who used to be on foot means pedal soldiers, and these were savars means on horses. They were trained in archery and use of swords. Clear? Musket. It is a heavy gun used by soldiers. And matchlock, an early type of gun in which the powder was ignited by a match. Clear? Both of the weapons were used in Afghanistan, Egypt, and Burma. Right? When the British fought against these places, so there these kinds of weapons were used by the soldiers in Burma, Afghanistan, and Egypt. Next one is confederation, means alliance. Confederation means alliance. In the chapter, it is used for the alliance or the confederacy of Peshwa. Maratha Sardar Peshwa of Pune. After 1761, when Marathas were defeated in the third battle of Panipat, so Marathas were divided into various regions under the various Sardars like Sindhia, Gaikwad, Bhonsle, Holkar, etc. So these all kinds of Sardars were under Peshwa, and this was known as Confederacy of Peshwa. And next one is Doctrine of Lapse. This was a policy adopted by the Britishers in 1848 by Lord Dalhousie. According to this policy, this was a policy adopted by the British. According to this policy, if any Indian ruler died without male heir, then his territory would be annexed by the Britishers. So this was the policy of Doctrine of Lapse adopted by the British under the Lord Dalhousie, Governor General Lord Dalhousie, and in 1848. So dear students, these were the main terms. Approximately we have completed this chapter, right? We have to revise this chapter by watching these videos, and again if you have any doubt, you can ask me by writing in comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.